ragamuffin is only passing through. Easy approach. My ragamuffin is only passing through.
Come to group. Come to group.
Jovem como sou, me lembrei de um anjo que eu vi dançando hip hop. Deu uma rebolada, remexeu o quadril. Juntamente um sorriso ela piscou pra mim. Garotas são iguais, todas têm o mesmo pique. Some, come, dorme, beija, perto e se inspira. Feras do amor que só nos deixam com dor. Mas quando se apega aí que a barra tem mais, o que me virou foi a cor. O busto, a mini saia listada, azul e rosa. Olhei, dei a mão, me pede um minuto. Olhei pro lado e disse isso não é justo. E disse isso não é justo. E disse isso não é justo. Eu disse que isso não é justo.
Zimbabwe. Here come the drums.
Alright. Yeah. Alright.
Here come the drums.
Alright. Yeah. Alright.
Sing your face, not an 8-track, getting it good to the woods. So the people kicking some of that reacting to the facts that I kick and a stick and a stay around. Point to the joint, put the booty down. Don't get to the roots and giving it up. So turn and loose. Then again, I got a story that's harder than a hardcore course of the Holocaust. I'm talking about what's going on. I know where from that dumb bitty dumb for the base motherland. The place of the drum is made by the whack to the whack. It fools the black and left us faded. TNT probably had a big beef because of that. Now I grit my teeth. So here's a song to the storm, but the shape of a snake and a smile that went along with that.
Get trusted.
No.
Get trusted.
You wicked rounds like a fortune teller, cause the wickedness done by Jack. Where everybody at the body gets sold for the liquor and the gold. Smacked in the back for the other man to make.
What? Wicked. Wicked man. That man. Get trusted. Get trusted. Get trusted. Get trusted. Ow. Get trusted.
Ice water, watch your daughter. Your mother and your sisters, aunts, nieces, and your wife's oughta know. Ain't nobody safe when I'm in the place. I'm dropping more bass with face to face. Erase haze with a taste of a steady pace. Ain't no time to waste and it ain't no race. You state your case and work your waist without a trace. And just wait for double black to double back and make that move. Break it to ya, I'ma do ya. Now ain't that cool enough to take you? Plus I ain't just here to bust, so you know what? It ain't just another brother whore, another jerk of money. Cause I'm giving you something to work on, honey. You can feel the heat, but it ain't no pressure when I turn the heat on. The cool breeze will refresh you. How cool? How cool? How cool? How cool going black man be? How cool? How cool? How cool? How cool going black man be? Put it in slow motion. Ice cool with a nice cool breeze. Native tongue for the young ladies. Dropping lines, rocking minds and concubines. Treated like a king of this hip-hop thing. The rhymes manifest as a vehicle. See a full picture. I'm with you, I'll hit you with mixtures and become a fixture inside your heart. Make you feel a pulse of my beat even miles apart. Ain't no mountain high enough or a valley low to stop cool mo. I got a cosmic flow. How cool? How cool? easily engaged and thoughts never froze. I chose a pattern, repattern, a pattern to the battle zone. You can get rattled home, so don't even travel Rome or drift or wander into my vicinity. I respond to calm with no affinity. Identity scrape broken down on tape, and it ain't no escaping. You get no breaks. I make you mistakes, cause I strive for perfection. Into the hill of I shoot your direction. Protection limited, heroic images are broken down, hellbound from the mystics, images amplified. I'll be damned if I believe the hype stereotypes. I'm gonna die like a warrior, fighting till I'm free. How cool a black man be? How cool? How cool? How cool? How cool will a black man be? How
Band FM, la radio de su radio, 96.1.
Flavor rule the area. Ecstasy.
Zimbabwe. Bass rap. Bass mouth.
At the parties, I'm a stupid party for getting into the groove with the music that's done by the devastating master of rhyme. You respect, and like a president election, you will surely elect my style that I create, but in a casual order. Don't eat with the beat, well it flows like water. I'm a water like fun. Well, if you wanna hang with it, and the Donja Party rocker, you best not forget it.
Zimbabwe, o som classe A do Brasil.
som da massa.
No, wait, let me get this straight. You want my band, my gold, and you ain't gonna
Pica-pau.
Once upon a time in high top Adidas,
Overheard a girl say she wanna meet up.
guy with money so she can juice him.
For every dime they own broke, she cut him loose and
Find her another one, who will be the next one?
a man with money to her is a blessing.
Squeeze him, juice him, like Tropicana.
Abuse him, use him, she don't give a damn.
About his feel another love inside him.
He's just a money train and she'll ride him straight.
Straight to the bank, I heard girls plan this.
Step back, baby, I can't stand it.
Don't do that to us.
Yo, what's up? Smell it. You got the money,
When a girl's born, money's on her list, man. She said, when I grow up, I'ma marry a rich man. It's a dream, sometimes it come true. Watch your money, boy, it might be you. Slick girls, they ain't to get paid. And how to make money is the game that's played. She'll kiss you, hug you, maybe love to your mind. Pull out her hand and scream, give me mine. Millionaire, I mean the ugly and marry one. A fly girl, seen one, now she wanna marry one. For the money, it's always for the money. They say it ain't so, they read through your bank book. Flabby and shabby's how the millionaire look. Lean and green is how the money look. She pretends she loves you till the marriage is sealed. Now what's his is hers and what ain't she still.
for the money, it's always for the money. For the money, it's always for the money, for the money.
Band FM, la radio de su radio, 96.1.
Hold it. What's going on, John?
FM, la radio de su radio, 96.1.
see whose skin is white. A white kid, a white boy with a white face, just like the Beastie Boys in third base. Now this looks like a topic for discussion. To feel racial tension, fussing and cussing, or maybe this will even cause some controversies. But first, I think it's time I take a little break. See, some dudes can't talk and forget where it started. They claim the white complexion ain't the reason why they're rappers trying to please. Man, it's so easy to see when a white dude raps, the public sees it as a novelty. Even me, although I take it seriously, some just like me because I'm not R.A.C. But I won't quit and I won't stop, cause I do hip-hop records just because I love hip-hop. The R, the E, and I'm smooth. Although I never claim to be vanilla. Nope, I'm Irish American, and never did I pretend to be an African. You're needing a history lesson, cause you forgot where you came from. You're just dumb, so end up comparisons, cause he's not the first of the Caucasian persuasion. So step up and burst off the set and show up and try to blow up. You make me wanna throw up and I'll rip your whole floor up, so throw up. Cause I don't bite, and you can't put a patent on the color of white. So what you say? 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 So what you say?
Interrupt this album for a very important announcement. Som da Massa.
Yeah, yeah,
O som que você o som que você o som da massa.
César.
My man, you know what you're saying. What the real big boat, yeah. I'm big town, massive large boat, yeah. Special request, eh? Jump down, César.
Band FM, la radio de su radio. 96.
O som classe A do Brasil. Da massa, Pica-pau, DJ. Da massa, Doc, DJ.